Alright, it's raining, it's wet and muddy, but I wanted to give this a quick little video, so it's not going to be long. I didn't fully get to check these tire foams out well, or this fusion now, but for that matter, but now the fusion's in it. Got good slow modulation so far. Alright, up that obstacle. Yes, I got my lights working in the front and in the back on the bumper. So this does have dual stage foams, Amazon dual stage foams, not Proline. And I put the Hobbywing Fusion in this about roughly an hour and a half ago or so. I do not know the pinion size or the spur size. I believe it's the factory Red Cat spur size. I like how it's pretty quiet. It has plenty of good slow modulation. And like I said, it could probably be tuned, but I don't have the tuner. And I have the other tuner. I don't know if it'll work for the brush setup. Hobbywing brush setup. Alright. Okay, as of now, I could generally say I'm happy with this Fusion. Like I said, I'm not going to stay out here much longer. Just wanted to give a quick test here on my wall here, my rock wall. But eventually, on another day, I'll get out and try some of these other obstacles and whatnot. But that'll be another day when it's not muddy and slippery and raining and whatnot. But yes, definitely happy with the Fusion so far. Got my lights in the bumper working. Eventually I want to bring that body back down on the chassis, but I'm gonna have to do some trimming here so I can get that whole body down lower and whatnot. But it is a metal bumper. I don't want to stick it out too far, pull it out, because then it'll be too far out and it'll have it'll look funny, one, and number two, it will kill my approach angle. But otherwise, I'm very happy. And the foam so far, the dual stage foam seem to be doing good. The KLRs I'm happy with. So we'll have to get some more videos in down the road when I can get some more other areas and rock the trails and other stuff. But thank you all for watching, and